Hello friends, welcome to our third CSS lesson. We are gonna learn today formatting the text. I prepared the CSS course about this. I will show you soon in order. First of all, I created the index.html and style CSS files. Then, as I mentioned before, I linked these two files by the import method. Well, which topics will we learn today, friends? Color, font size, font family, font style, etc. topics will be explained. All these features mean to what? In fact, I will instruct you just word program, not much thinking. What does the CSS course that I showed you shortly before? Rapid, then basically I want to show you through Word. Dear friends, you know this section is used to change text font style. And we do this in CSS by font family code. And when we press the B button in Word, the text becomes thick or bold. We do it in CSS by font weight feature. And we press the I button, it makes the text italic. CSS by font style. And with the same way, in order to make the next text either underline or strike through, we use text decoration in CSS. In order to adjust text size, font size, changing the color, we press this A button. But in CSS, we just write color. This section is important, friends. In order to align the paragraph right, left, center, or justified, we use these buttons in Word program. Use this feature in web page frequently. We do it in CSS by text align feature. As you see here, the first line is indent, and we can do this in CSS by text indent. Yes. After this explanation, let us go to our lesson. By the way, these are not code. I adjust them as comment. I want to talk about comment lines. You can put two slashes and two stars between them, and if you write anything between these two stars, this section just becomes comment. It's not executed as a code, this is just addition info. Now, let's start to write our code here. By the way, what is there in our index page? I want to show you. At first, there is h1, then paragraph, and then a link. If you want, I can show you these in Chrome browser. Yes, our web page seems like that. I opened it Firefox accidentally. Now, friends, immediately let's write the CSS code. First, I want to adjust the paragraph. I open the paragraph and my paragraph's color. Color. What can I select? I select a nice color. I selected this. And then font size. I select 50 pixel. And font family. I select it as Arial. Yes. Yes, I saved these three features. Let's have a look over Chrome. Yes, it appears like that now. Yes. The color I selected appears here and 50 pixel, and text font as you see now Arial. This font and this font is not the same as seen. Let's continue. Yes, as seen the text now, italic, and font weight, there are some values here. You can select any of them, but we use bold for now. So now it's bold. As you press the B button in Word. Let's continue, friends. Text align feature. Now, you can select any of those, center, left, right. For instance, let's center the text. Yes, now. The text is left aligned now, and when I refresh the page, you will see the difference. Now the text is in the center of the page. Yes, let's go to another feature. I want to change this as left again. The next one, text text decoration. You can select from the list any of them. Blank, line through, underline, etc. If I select the line through, it will be strike through, as you see. Yes, let's change it back if you want. And and now, yes, and now there is another feature, text indent. What this feature makes, it adjusts the first line's starting point. You can determine an indent value. For example, 50 pixel. Now it will indent 50 pixel now. Let's refresh. As you see, the first line indents 50 pixel. When we can increase this value how much we want. And I will explain you text transform. I will apply text transform feature on H1. H1 used for titles, you know. And now let's apply the text transform on our title. I want to explain a little about text transform. Text transform makes the text entirely big characters or small characters automatically. Or we could want to capital letter on the first character. I mean, even if you write the title, for example, all small letters, this feature upper versus first letters. Now, I want to show you this with an example. Now, I'm going to show you with a small example. Let's select uppercase, which makes all words capital letters. Now, as you see, my title's only first letter is uppercase, but now it will be all uppercase. So when I refresh the page, it's all uppercase. And now text shadow, as you can understand from its name, it adds shadow to the text. Sorry. Now 3 pixel shadow towards right, 3 pixel towards down, and 4 pixel blur, make blur. And lastly, which color my shadow will be, we select any color. Yes, this means 3 pixel right, 3 pixel down, 4 pixel blur, and select a shadow color. And I saved. Now I will refresh it, and the result. Yes. We have finished our lesson today. See you again. Goodbye.